A strong knee-jerk reaction like we saw on Friday after the UK situation didn't create a sell signal. It just showed strong selling. So the assumption has to be there is selling until we see something change that. Unfortunately, without a candlestick signal, a change of investor sentiment not being greatly confirmed just with selling could bounce right back at any time. So unfortunately, if you weren't short, as we had recommended to have some short positions in the portfolio until they broke out through this level, you probably want to stay short on those, but to go short at this point is a much higher risk trade. If you short at this point, it's got to be done on the basis that you're much more diligent as far as watching for a potential reversal bounce. But as we can see over the last few months of trading, there was no decisive trend in this market, which could still equate to, if they start trading positive from these levels, there's still no great trend in the market. So right now, the analysis will be, if you don't know which way the market's going, just sit in cash until the charts tell you which way the investor sentiment is moving. On the opposite side, as we can see, gold prices ran up huge on Friday, but didn't do a whole lot today. So it's still in this trading range. Once again, if you don't know which way a trend or a price move is going, kind of sit back and wait for the charts to tell you which way things are going. Now, we did have a bullish engulfing signal on gold. Stochastic's coming back up, and we have the potential, if gold opens positive tomorrow, you've got a bullish doji sandwich breaking out into new territory. This would make some of the gold stocks, such as Anglo Gold, AU, a viable buy on positive trading tomorrow, based upon the message, which is a gap up, but as soon as it gaps up, it starts selling off, which tells you there's profit taking, and we call that the message. The message is they gap this up. There's still probably more follow through, as we saw today, where they opened it back up above the open of Friday and traded indecisively. This makes for a recognizable pattern or signal. If it opens positive and starts trading positive, breaking out through this level with what we call a bullish flutter kicker signal, that tells you there's going to be a lot more upside. At points in a price trend or a market trend, there might be times where you can't analyze what's going on at that point, but you can always recognize what type of signals and patterns are setting up so you can be prepared for investing in the right direction at the right time. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.